You guys see it through the water? Left side portrait. Oh, there's nothing but reflections. Let's try that. Wow, look at that one. Let's take a look at that one. We have a gateway style here as well. And a couple other bird effigies. See the heart-shaped birds? All these are little face totems. Go ahead and take a look at this one. Look at the color on them. Portraits all over it. The first photo albums. Look at this. You guys see the ridge eye. So there's an eye in the ridge right here. As it's looking away from us. That's the way that the art is looked at. You see the other little profile there with the nose sticking out, the small one. Large eye there. Flip it the whole way around. See more and more. This is the big guy with the nose. Long nose there. Very cool. Let's check the other side. Cheekbones. Smaller face down here with the headdress. See the jawline? Whole jawline right there. Look at that huge eye right here. These are called plaquette style. Very thin, as you can see. I like showing you guys them when they are wet like this because you can see some more of the details. There's also just a big triangle eye on this for the big outside surface image. Try to get that focus right for us. There we go. Wonderful. There's also a portrait of a woman with the right hand side there. I can see now because of the hair. Look at that giant circle for the eye. Right, sorry for my finger, but right there. I'll put it right in the middle of the screen. See the circle? Circle. That is for a human image on the stone. A face. Wow, this is a very pretty one. Probably go ahead and take this one just to have it. Look at the other. The eyes are just so defined on this one right here. I love how the face, see how the face is one level. You can see how it shines. Kind of have my hand on her chin right there. Amazing. Found quite a few amazing ones out here today, guys. The rain has washed everything out, and so there's just so many. This is a larger gateway example. I'm not going to be able to take it, of course. See how this side's all black? When we flip it over, it's going to have white on it, and I'm sliding down. Oh my. Oh geez. There's the white. So much slime on this one. There's that good smell of that clay, that ancient clay. Cool portrait on the right, outlined. I think you can see the ridge eye right there. It's a heavy one. It's hard to do with one hand. Oh man, super neat. There's our little bird effigy here. You know, just the outside image of a bird, of course. Look at that. Just a little fat bird. See its face right here. Go ahead and wash them off a little, see if we can see any of the carvings. It's got that thick, dense paint, or thick, dense clay, rather. So you can see the eye for the cardinal, or the bird, a little better. You guys know about ancient chickens? So there's chickens still existing now that are the predecessor to all the other chickens. I think they're in Indonesia. And so there's that long nosed guy, and you can tilt him around and get different images out of him. lot of times you'll see an X on here. I love that smell. Yep, this one features Birdman, that hook nose. You always can tell the hook nose from the Birdman, just like the Birdman of Cahokia. Fantastic one. Hope you guys are having a good day. Any day out on the site for me is a good day. Several little gateway style pieces here. Let's go ahead and take a look around. Show you how the creek has dried up. Focus, come on. It's very slippery out here, but you can start to see how the artifacts are just all falling out from the inside there, from the sides of the banks of the creek. Some of these wooden sticks as well, worth taking a look at sometimes. I did find a bow out here. Anything that's charred you want to take a good look at. Let's go ahead and look at this square. Sometimes there are a lot of just squares, very faint images on these. There's levels, there's higher level stones for sure. All right, guys, I got to do a lot of work. I've got to go through this whole stream today and try to find some more gateways for us. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.